Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your MacBook is having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi or your internet connection keeps dropping, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a few simple settings you can check to fix common Wi-Fi issues on your MacBook. So let's get started. First, check your MacBook date and time settings. Sometimes an incorrect date or time can cause problems with Wi-Fi or internet connectivity. Go to System Settings, click on Journal, then click on Date and Time and make sure Set Time and Date automatically is turned on. Next, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network and connecting to it again. Go to System Settings, click on Wi-Fi, find your connected network and click Details. Now select Forget this network and confirm it. Once you have done that, connect to the same Wi-Fi network again and enter your password. Now check your network. If you are connected to Wi-Fi but the internet still is not working properly, the next step is to check your Wi-Fi details. Again, open System Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Find your connected network and click Details. Here you will find different network information, including your IP address, router and DNS settings. This important thing here is to make sure your MacBook received a valid IP address and that the network information looks normal. If your MacBook is connected to Wi-Fi but is not getting the correct network information, that could be the reason why you are unable to access the internet. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helps you get your Wi-Fi connection working normally again. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.